You know, I'm no fool. I do not bend. I do not fold in the face of fear. I do not fall against opposition because I know that its motive is to make me fold so that it has more power over my will. The people of the United States of America need to understand that our brotherhood and unity must not dissolve. It must not deteriorate in the face of opposition and chaos. We are living in a time where we have to face a lot of difficult situations. We're finding that it is becoming more and more difficult to protect our rights and our freedom. But this is not because of the government system. No. This is an opportunity for us to stand together in a composed, loving, unified way and protect our rights. This is an opportunity for us, not a conspiracy. Because America is all about getting through the struggle together in the name of freedom and liberty. So with every challenge that presents ourselves, we must stand against it, poised in the battle, with the intention of being unified with the concept of love and freedom and liberty, knowing that pain is not going to solve the issue. Throwing around pain and heartache is not going to solve the issue. It never does. So when we are faced with inevitable situations like Roe v. Wade, the government fighting itself, just remember, it's not really the government system that is the problem. It's how the people deal with the situations that are causing the problems. The only way that we are going to solve our problems is how we deal with it together. And that means we can't throw pain around.